I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Jeep Wrangler bumper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on level ground with the emergency brake engaged. For your safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work. Gather your tools, including an 18mm deep socket, a ratchet, and a plastic panel removal tool. Having these ready will make the process much smoother. Next, we'll handle the electrical connections and trim pieces. Reach behind the bumper to locate and unplug the fog light wiring harness. This is usually a single, easily accessible connector. Use your panel tool to carefully release any plastic clips that secure the wiring loom to the bumper. Finally, remove the lower air dam and any plastic filler panels to gain full access to the bumper's mounting hardware. Now, let's tackle the main mounting hardware. You'll find 8 nuts holding the bumper to the frame rails, 4 on each side. Use your 18mm deep socket and an extension to reach these. Start by removing the 4 nuts on the outer portion of the frame rails. These are generally easier to access. Take your time to ensure a secure grip on each nut. With the outer nuts removed, proceed to take off the remaining 4 inner nuts. It's crucial to have someone help support the bumper at this stage to prevent it from falling. Once all 8 nuts are off, gently pull the entire bumper assembly straight away from the vehicle's frame. Congratulations! Your Jeep Wrangler bumper is now removed. Check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.